Hi everyone, Lucy Light here. It's another great day today and I'm here at my workplace. Yes, and today my office mate will be cooking a nice lunch for us. So it's Foodie here at my workplace. It is me, Lucy Light, and I'm here to lighten up your day. Yeah, I'm just gonna share to you today, this day, because one of our technical guys is going to cook us a very nice lunch. Yes, and I'm going to head to our mini kitchen and see the ingredients and check our our very wonder rice cooker and see what he is up to now with his cooking. So let's go. Okay, here guys, the ingredients are, this is definitely pork. As you can see, there are pork cuts. And this one is, we call it langka in our language, and it's already chopped. This one is petchay. Yeah, petchay leaves. It's already been cut and washed. And yes, this is also our ingredients. We call it batuan. Yes, and this one is katumbal daw ito guys. And we have magic syrup and nor cubes. This is pork. Yeah. And this one, I think it is already a sauteed garlic, tomato, and onions. Right. Yeah. So yes, that is it guys. It's now going to start cooking. Yes, as you can see now guys, he is now putting the pork in our rice cooker. Yeah, our amazing rice cooker that doesn't have a lid. Yeah, there, and I think he's going to wait it to boil, right? Yes, so as you can see earlier, we were there in the kitchen. Yeah, actually it's not a kitchen. It's just a little space at the back of our workplace, and you know, like a pantry. And as you can see there, we have already put the pork, and we're just waiting for the water to a boil. I mean, we're just waiting it to go to a boil, and then he's going to add another ingredient on it. So let's check it out later.
A few moments later.
Okay, just an update guys. This is how our lunch looks like. So our technical guy has already added the tomatoes, the sauteed tomatoes, onions, and garlic earlier. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, see that? Aww. This is going to be delicious. Yay! Look at our lunch. Look! Yeah. And now we're putting in what you call langka, guys. It is now smelling good. See you again in a bit. Yeah. Yes, you can see. We're putting seasoning. Oh, look at that. So very
Later. 2,000 years later.
And now we're putting the batuan. We call it batuan, guys.
What a wonderful world.
And next will be the North cubes daw. There you go.
Years later. 1 eternity later.
Yeah. So the big chili is already in, guys. See that? Ayan na, guys. Ayan na si Pechay.
Green leafy. Paborito na ni ma'am.
Malapit na maluto.
Busa.
Maluyang lang na yan. Nami kanita mo. Down. Ayun. Very healthy. Ayan na siya, guys. There you go. Our lunch is served. Yay! You can see that. Got veggies and the very famous porky. Oh, see that? Now, as you can see now, this is our lunch, guys. Very tasty. We have petchay, we have lava, of course, the pork. Lunch is served. Very tasty. Yeah. Let's dig in. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Sarap much. So delicious.